So you guys, I felt like vlogging this. I am getting ready to make some Mexican corn. So as you can see, I got my corn boiling in a pot. And I'll be back to discuss with you on how to make Mexican corn. So you guys, you're gonna let this corn boil 5 to 7 minutes, and you're gonna take it out the pot and let it cool. Okay, you guys, so I got my corn on my baking sheet, and I'm gonna do 3 for you guys. So I'm gonna tell you the items that you're gonna need. Of course, the corn on the cob, and I boiled my corn 5 to 7 minutes. You're gonna need the Mexican crumbling cheese, and I got this from my local Mexican grocery store. You're gonna need mayonnaise, real mayonnaise. You're gonna need skewers and chili powder. Also, you guys, you're gonna need a rubber spatula too. And I got my brush that I'm gonna rub my butter on with. You're gonna need butter too, you guys. So let's get this started. Okay, first things first. I have crumbled my cheese, and I have my butter here. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to stick the skewers into the corn. Okay, I'm going to stick my skewer into the corn. There's one, you guys. And I insert it right in the bottom of the cob. There's 2. 3. Now what I'm going to do is, hold on 1 minute, you guys. I'm going to take my butter and I'm going to rub it on my corn. I'm going to brush it all over. Okay. Second one, I'm going to butter. I'm going to turn it over. Butter it on this side. One more side. And this corn, you guys, is good for like any parties. Taco Tuesdays, football parties. If you're having a football taco party, I know we do it in my house. Okay, I got my butter on. And now I have my mayonnaise, you guys. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to rub it all over this corn. And this mayonnaise will give it flavor. Will give flavor to the corn. And it also is going to help the cheese stick better to it. You're going to brush it all over. Gotta make sure I cover it. Okay. I'm going to set that there for a minute. I'm going to do the next one. Got my mayonnaise. And you want to get it all over your corn. Okay. That one. Let me adjust my camera so you guys can see it a little bit better. Just 1 minute, you guys. Adjusting my camera so you guys can see it. And then also put some mayonnaise on this side. Okay. And the third one, I'm going to do the same. Mayonnaise. Make sure it's on real good. Okay. I'm going to push this to the side. Then I'm going to take my crumbled cheese. I'm going to sprinkle it on my corn. Let's do the second one, you guys. Then the third. And you can even sprinkle some on your sheets. And it'll stick to it. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Get that out the way, you guys. And I'm going to take my chili powder. Sprinkle it on my corn. And there you have it, you guys. Mexican corn. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will party with you guys next time. Bye. So you guys, I'm not only a treat maker. I love cooking too. So from time to time, you will see me add some cooking to my channel. Stuff you can use at parties, take to parties, or if you're throwing a party. So just stay tuned to my channel and be on the lookout for my videos. Wait a minute, you said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.